Okay, all of you are ready, children? Yes, what was the last line? Samia, just let me know. Samia. Yes, Samia.
Transport and communications were
Improved. Okay, fine. Fine.
improved.
Okay. Okay, write it down after that, children, and put on your video, Karthik Bhargav. I've been continuously telling you, but you have not been putting your video on. So I think I should remove you. Okay. Next point number 8. Peasants, comma, artisans, peasants, comma, artisans, artisans, comma, workers, and new businessmen enjoyed this new found freedom. Enjoyed this new found freedom. Full stop. Next point. Uniform laws, comma, standardized weights, standardized weights, WEITS, weights, 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 comma, no, weights and measures, and a common national currency, and a common national currency, again put a comma, encouraged the movement and exchange of goods and capital, Full stop. Write conclusion, subheading, however, comma, in the areas conquered, comma, initially French armies were welcomed. Ishida, Kanishka, Priya, please put on a video. Initially, French armies were welcomed as harbingers, HARBINGERS, harbingers of liberty. Full stop. But it soon turned to hostility. As the new administrative arrangements were not for the conquered territories, but there was increased taxation, comma, censorship, comma, forced conscription. The meaning of this word I had told you all. Recruitment. Forced conscription. CONSCRIPTION. ON, EION, conscription into the French armies, done by Napoleon, Full stop. Next heading, part 2. Making of nationalism in Europe. Making of nationalism in Europe. Right over there, subheading, mid 18th century, in bracket write 1750. First point, Germany, Italy, and Switzerland. Germany, Italy, and Switzerland were divided into kingdoms. Full stop. Next point, Eastern and Central Europe. Eastern and Central Europe were under autocratic monarchies. Full stop. Next. Put on your video, Isha, Priya, Baudik, Manan, Eklavya, Dakshita, Chinmay, Akshat, Mahol, Supreet, Afzal, Bhumi, Soham, Raghav, Ekagra, Anshika, Mehul, Chitranshi, etc. Eastern and Central Europe were under autocratic monarchies. Full stop. Next point, the Habsburg dynasty. The Habsburg, HABS, please write with capital letter all the names. Habsburg dynasty ruled over Austria-Hungary, also included the Alpine region. Put a dash. Tyrol, 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 Austria, Sudetenland, Sudentenland, Sudetenland. This was in Hitler's chapter. Bohemia, Bohemia, where aristocrats were German speaking. Aristocrats were German speaking, also Italian speaking provinces. Of Lombardy and Venetia. Who is this, Priya? Yeah, I'm removing all those children whose video I cannot see, please. Now this is the last warning. So, yes, Pratisha Yadav, you are gone. Remove. Mahol, no video on, so you are off. Off. Arnav, Radhika, Vijay, no video on, so you are off. बोलने के बाद में भी ये हाल है. Raghav, you are going. Get lost. Ankit Kumar, you also please go. Chinmay Gautam, please go. Mahol, continuously I have been telling you, so you please go. Afzal Sheikh, remove. Mahol, remove. Ankit Kumar, Manjot Singh, continuously I have been telling you to put on your video, but you people are not listening. So what you'll do is do as you feel like. हजार दफे तुमको एक ही बात नहीं बोलेगी टीचर्स. Raghav, who's this Raghav? Varun? Ishita Sood, you cannot put on your video, so you please go. Relax at home. And all this is recorded also. Purvi Bhatia? Bhavya Hariramani? Harshi Jain? As and when you want, you can see this. If the video, Harshi Jain, your video is not on. Monish Kundanani, you also get lost. Your video is not on. Sarthak Vadwa, video is not on. Yasha Jindal, yes, anyone else? इसका वीडियो मैं ऑन एंड ऑफ चेक करूंगी, नहीं है तो आप जाइए यहाँ से. अर्नब ठाकुर, अंकित कुमार, Bhavya Hariramani, again you are not on till now. Your video is not there. One minute if I don't find your video, you will not be there in this class. The lesser, the better. The Habsburg dynasty rule, okay. Next point, Hungary. Hungary, put a dash, half of the population spoke Magyar. Half of the population spoke Magyar, while other. Bhumi, again I am not able to see your video. I should remove you once and for all. Go and relax. Arnab Thakur, for 1 minute you put and then the second minute again you go. No video, no class for you all. At least 20 students has been removed today. Good. Hungary, half of the population spoke Magyar. Magyar, Magyar, while other spoke a variety of dialects. Spoke a variety of dialects. D-I-A-L-E-C-T-S. Dialects, full stop. Next point, in Galicia, G-A-L-I-C-I-A, Galicia, comma, the aristocracy. Bhavya Hariramani, second time you are entering. If this time I do not see a video, you are not going to be entering. What is the problem with you, Bhavya Hariramani? You are extra smart or what? Arnab Thakur, again video is not there. Remove. Okay. In Galatia, the aristocracy spoke Magyar, while others spoke a variety of dialects. Full stop. Hungary, half of the population, again I'm repeating, please pay attention. Hungary, half of the population spoke Magyar, while others spoke a variety of dialects. Next, in Galatia, the aristocracy spoke Polish. The aristocracy spoke Polish. Full stop. Next point, beside these, there also lived peasant people, put a dash, Bohemians, 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 and Slovaks to the north, Slovens, Slovenes, Slovens in Carnoila, Carniola, Croats, Croats, Croats in the south. Radhika Vijay, your video is not on. I am removing you. On and off, I will not be repeating. एकदम से हटा दूंगी फौरन. Croats to the south, Romans, Roumans, Romans in Transylvania, Transylvania, Trans, Trans, Ylvania, Transylvania, full stop. Now just a line. These diverse groups could never promote political unity. These diverse groups could never promote political unity. Full stop. Write a question. Dakshita, pay attention to your copy. Write the question. How did nationalism and the idea of nation state emerge? How did nationalism and the idea of nation state emerged? Satyam Khandelwal, continuously you have been showing your horrible over there, so you please go, relax. Nation state emerge. Full stop. Next heading, aristocracy and the new middle class. Aristocracy and the new middle class. First point, powerful landed aristocracy. Powerful landed aristocracy was the dominant class. Owned large estates, spoke French, again, connected by ties of marriage, but however, numerically a small group, full stop. Next point, majority of the population was peasantry. was peasantry, comma, tenants, small landowners, and serf, S-E-R-F, serfs, full stop. Next point, with the emergence of industrialization, with the emergence of industrialization and trade, a new commercial class, a new commercial class. Sohani, video is not on. A new commercial class in France emerged, put a dash, made up of, put a dash, made up of industrialist, businessmen, professionals, who promoted liberal ideas of national unity, comma, freedom, equality, equality. Also demanded abolition of aristocratic privileges. Also demanded abolition of aristocratic privileges. Put a dash. All gained popularity. Chitranji, you can tie your hair. Anshika and Chitranji, next time when you're in the class, both of you. Okay. All gained popularity. Full stop. Next heading. What did liberal nationalism stand for? What did liberal nationalism stand for? Tanishka Jain, should I remove you? First, no line, this is just a line there. Liberalism, put a dash, is derived from a Latin word, put a dash, liber, L-I-B-E-R, again put a dash, meaning free, full stop. Liberalism stood for freedom and equality of all before the law. Freedom and equality of all before the law. Full stop. Next subheading of this topic only, write political. Now children, our time is up, or I'll take for 4 minutes more. Okay, 4 minutes more. Political, first point. Politically, it emphasized the concept of government by consent. It emphasized the concept of government by consent. Government by consent. comma, end of autocracy, end of autocracy, Kartik Bhargav, I cannot see your video, so you please relax. Continuously, I've been telling you, now you're showing a video. Next time, if you don't want to show, no, then you better don't be present only. Politically, it emphasized the concept of government by consent, comma, end of autocracy, comma, clerical privileges, comma, constitution, and representative government, and representative government also non-abolishment of private property. Yashar Jindal, please show a clear picture. You are relaxing in some garden or what? Non-abolishment of private property. Full stop. Next point. However, it did not stand for universal suffrage. Full stop. Right over there, France. In the same point, write France. Put a dash. Right to vote was granted. Right to vote was granted only for a brief period. Under the Jacobins. Full stop. Full stop. However, comma, the Napoleonic Code went back to limited suffrage. Soham Kapoor, limited suffrage, and reduced women to the status of a minor. Comma, subjected to the authority of fathers and husbands. Full stop. Thus, this group continuously struggled for equal political rights. Rimjim, note down this. Then we are going to, whenever we are going to meet, we are going to start from here only. So write the next heading, economic sphere, and we will stop just now. Economic sphere, sub-heading of this only, this topic only. Rimjim, kindly keep a track of this. Is that clear? Whenever we meet, children?